Assalamu alaikum. I am Hajar Akhtar Bithi from Cosmo School. I would like to thank everyone to watch video 2 of chapter 3. In previous video, we mentioned that only the name of harmful software. Now we will learn how does those harmful software works. Different types of malware works in different way. Computer virus can be multiple and transmitted one computer to another. For example, if a pen drive contains any virus infected file, it cannot be active and spread out as long as it is not connected to the computer. Computer worm spread network to network and attacks the computer. Trojan horse hides its identity under the guise of software. When the disguised software becomes active, the Trojan corrupts the file and imports new Trojan. Adware. By definition, adware displays advertisement on a computer without permission. It is not harmful software. Rootkit. Root means base and kit means a bunch of some software equipment. That means rootkit attacks the base of the device. Spyware. After hearing the name, we can guess how it works. Yes, spyware notices our movement, which website we visit, how long we stay, and how we use our device to. It can reveal or use information against us. Computer virus and worms can both multiple itself and infect a device, but there are some differences between them. Let's see the differences. Computer virus needs human help to execute and spread, but worms automatically execute and spread. Virus need a host. Virus attach itself with a host, but worms don't need any host. Virus destroy, damage, or alter the files in the infected computer, but worms don't affect the file. It destroys our system or network. Now we understand what is computer virus. I told you before. Here is a picture. Computer virus come in different way to infect our system differently. Example of computer virus is CIH. It active 26 April every year and formats our hard disk. Now it remain inactive. Computer virus damage our system in various ways. Some visible damage is slow computer performance. That means when a computer is infected by a virus, it definitely affects our system performance speed. Problem of hanging our system. If you do any work, computer may be hang out. Frequently rebooting. That means computer system is restarted either intentionally or unintentionally. Now we will read history. History of virus. At first, in 1949, scientist John von Neumann shed light on this matter. The idea of virus program came from his concept of reproductive program. Then, American computer scientist Frederick P. Cohen named this type of program virus for its reproductive strength. In the 70s, at ARPANET, the elementary stage of the internet, a virus called Creeper was detected. Then antivirus Reaper was created to kill the Creeper virus. In 1982, a virus L-Cloner spread globally using floppy disk. But the devastating nature of virus was first exposed by a virus named Brain in 1986. Two Pakistani brothers manufactured Brain virus in Lahore. Since then onward, many virus was created all over the world. Name of some malicious software: Brain, Vienna, Ping Pong, Dark Avenger, CIS, Code Red Worm, Michelangelo, etc. are the harmful virus plus most dangerous virus. The virus can be divided its nature of working after being active into two types. One is resident, another is non-resident. Resident means some virus after being active take a permanent shelter in the memory. This virus is called resident virus. When the user run any program, resident virus infect that one. On the other hand, non-resident virus is some virus after being active look for the program that are vulnerable and after infecting them leave the control on the main program and become inactive. These are called non-resident virus. If somehow our computer affected by the malware, here these are the way to get rid of malware. Download antivirus. Antivirus scan file. If found any malware, it remove it. Update antivirus regularly. Norton, Avast, Kaspersky, etc. are the antivirus name. Now a different topic. Online identity. Online identity is a social identity that an internet user establishes in online communities and websites. This identity expresses individual on the social network. Email address. An email address is a unique identifier for an email account. It is used to both send and receive messages over the internet. His profile name on social network. Social network means Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Social profile are a description of individual social characteristics, identify them on social media. When create an account, set up a name. This name can be your original name or pseudonyms. A user has to try to protect his identity. It does not matter how he has expressed it. To protect his identity on the internet must use password so that nobody can use his email or Facebook account. The secrecy of password to enter the account should be strictly preserved and it is mandatory. Some techniques are given below to protect the secrecy of password. Use long password. Both the capital and small letter can be used. Use strong password. Create password with word, sentence, number and numeric symbol. For example, z26a1sa1811@gmail.com. Here we can see use capital letter, small letter, word and numeric symbol also. There is a scope to verify the strength of password online. If it becomes weak, strengthen it. If you use any system run by many people, log out before leaving the place. Use password manager such as LastPass, KeePass, etc. as many users use. Develop to practice of changing password. We already know about hacking. Hacking means getting into any computer system or network without any permission. Those who do this work are called hackers. A person or organization is working to establish a secure network. On the other hand, an unscrupulous person is trying to break that secure network. The hacker community has divided themselves into different groups. White hat hackers, black hat hackers, grey hat hackers. White hat hackers choose to use their power for good. White hat hacker, also known as ethical hacker. White hat hacker working for companies as a security specialist and find security hole via hacking. Black hat hacker refers to a hacker who breaks into a computer system or network with malicious intent. A black hat hacker steal or destroy private data, alter, disturb or shut down websites and networks. Grey hat hacker exploit a security weakness in a computer system and bring the weakness to the attention of owner. A grey hat hacker acts without malicious intent. The goal of grey hat hacker is improve system and network security. A hacker hacks other computer for numerous reasons, such as earn illegally, harming a person, or to be like that organization humiliation, server disruption, monetary loss, information leakage, website vandalism, vulnerability testing, and so on. No more today. Thank you for watching this video.